jeez. Oh my god, what is this? Okay, well today I'm going to be cleaning out my fidget box because I have a lot. And they're just kind of laying in there. And I got a bunch of new ones at Five Below. I think that if you want new fidgets, you should really check out Five Below because they have some pretty good ones. They have dimple spinners. I think that's what they're called. I don't feel like bending down and reaching in. But they were super cute. They were camouflage ones. There are a bunch of different other ones. But I did get a lot of those. So I just threw them in here. And now they're just sitting in here. So I'm going to be organizing all my fidgets back in this bin. So I'm going to first off start by taking my mochis that I just poured out and putting in my squishy octopus. I'm going to start by putting them in my mochi bin. Just letting you know, do not leave your mochis underneath stuff for like a year or two, because this is what happens. Yeah, this pig found out the hard way. Cleaning out one of my drawers, found him, and he was smushed. Okay, I got all of them, all my mochis in here, I think. If I find more, I can put them back in there, but now I think I'm going to retract my pop tubes and set them off to the side, like over there or something. Okay, got 2 pop tubes done, 1 more to go. These things expand so long. It's crazy. 3 of these things combined, like 3 pop tubes stretched out, is taller than me. Like by a lot. Okay. All 3 of them are back to normal. I'm taking my cousin's doll and I am putting her off to the side. Well, she made it on pillows, so she is safe. I think I'm actually going to keep my pop tubes in the pop tube box. I just like things to stay new. I'm one of those people. Except if you didn't watch my last video, you would know. Well, if you didn't watch my last video, you should go do that and then watch this. But these monkey noodles came in a box and I couldn't get it open, so I decided to rip it. And now there's cardboard all over my room. But that's fine. I think I'll just clean it up. Now I'm putting the pop tubes in the box. If I end up getting more pop tubes, then I'll just have a whole bunch of boxes of pop tubes. I don't know how I really want to do this. Okay. I'm going to put it like this. Okay, I think I got it, like this. I'm putting those off to the side by my mochis, and now I'm doing my wacky tracks. I'm going to break this one, pull it apart, and I'm going to connect it so it's one big one. Oh, geez. Okay, I got it. we're gonna snap these ones together. And now I'm gonna put it in the classic like rectangle shape like this. And I'm like gonna put it in a corner over here like that, over there. So let's do that. Oh geez, I can't get it. And there. I'm actually just gonna put them over there. And now I gotta find a bin for all my monkey noodles. If you guys lose small stuff, I do not recommend getting the small monkey noodles because look at the size comparison. That is humongous. So don't get the small monkey noodles. I lost 2 of them. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna put my monkey noodles in because I destroyed the box. So I don't know what I'm gonna put them in now. No, I'm just gonna put them off to the side for now, and I'll go to the store maybe later today or tomorrow. Maybe not tomorrow, but maybe later today. Get some stuff. Oh, I found Peppa Pig. Oink, oink. There we go. Well, I'll get a container maybe. I got this at Marshall's. They had one more, but I figured that I would just get this one. And they are very cheap. They are like $4 or $5 for one. So it's basically getting a Poppet from Five Below. I'm going to like put all my Poppets in corners like this, and then I'm gonna like put square ones. And yeah, I don't know if you just understood what I said. Probably not, but that's okay. I'm just going to take everything out. I'm done trying to go through all this. This dude doesn't belong in here. He's a Hatchimal, I think. I love these infinity cubes. If you were looking for quiet fidgets that you can just like keep your hands busy with during class or something, these are perfect. Just make sure you don't get a squeaky one, because this one squeaks. Marble mesh. I don't know where I'm gonna put these. Acupressure rings. And mini Poppets. And my last pop. Okay. I think I'm going to take a disinfectant wipe. I'm going to wipe it down because there's a whole bunch of stuff on the bottom of this that I don't even know what it is. So I'm going to wipe it down. Okay. One second. Oh, jeez. These things are wet. But not you at the same time. Okay, I got it. Okay. Here we go. This is 2. Well, gotta put that back in the container. Okay, here we go. Look at how much like water, disinfectant stuff is in there. That's a lot. I squeezed some out back in the container. There was so much. And there's still a lot left in there. So right now, all I'm doing is disinfecting this. Really just cleaning it. Because it had some sort of stuff on the bottom. Like tape or something. And I wanted to get that off. So that's what I'm doing right now. Where's that glue? I don't know. I don't know how it even got in there. So, yeah. And there's a whole bunch of dog fur in here, so I want to get that out too. Okay. There we go. I think I got all of it. I'm just going to do the corners one last time and up here. There we go. I'm going to put that off to the side. And now I can put my fidgets in there. I think I'm going to start off with poppets and work my way up with mochis. Just because my poppets probably take up the most space. So I want to make sure I want to get all of the space taken up with the big things and then put the small things in. Because then the small things could just go on top of the bigger things. So I'm going to put my square poppets in this corner right over here. I'm just gonna do this. Mini poppets will go right underneath the big ones. Circle poppet, heart poppet, other heart poppet, and there's a square one. There should be a square one. Found it. I don't know where my other square poppet is. Someone must have stolen it. Oh, yeah, key tip. Do not, if you have little kids in your house or if you have friends over, don't show them, poppets or stuff. If you cannot trust that friend and they're not very a trustworthy friend, do not give them your poppets. I've already lost one. Well, not really lost it, but someone stole it. So that's just my little life lesson for the day. Do not give your poppets to someone you cannot trust. Okay. I don't know where I'm going to put my marble mesh, but I still got to fit my jumbo poppet in here, and it takes up this whole entire thing. So I'm popping